So in daily, GBP has a big wick, so might not give a big move. Yesterday also it had a big wick for over on the upper side, then it closed, made a doji candle. Overall trend, it is bullish, not exactly bullish. The trend is bearish, but this was a strong momentum pullback. This can continue for the higher side. Looks bullish. 4 hour not looking too strong. This was a strong momentum. This could have been a pole, and when it gave a breakout over here, it should have continued now. But it is giving a this pullback is not very strong, but still, if it has to go down, go up, then it should have moved somewhere. So far, it might take a while. Technically speaking, it gave a 4 hour breakout structure and retested the order block, so it is bullish. Okay, this is good. The breakout candle is very strong. We have a hourly order block. Okay, this was a strong candle breakout. Almost okay, so it already retested the order. You can see this zone, so we can expect a move from here till here. And yesterday it did move like we predicted, but we got stopped out. Yeah, our entry was the New York session opened late. Otherwise, yesterday also we would have made money. This breakout it moved as per the Fibonacci, and today also we expect the same. The after that the fall was also good, so I'm not sure. Overall trend not looking great. In 15 minutes, yeah, it is gave a breakout structure. We tested the order block. Let's see small time. I will go half quantity even if there is something good. This can turn out to be a good manipulation. We have a level which we can trade, which is this. So I need. So our plan is 5 minute breakout structure, same as yesterday, but I will go half quantity because it's not too obvious. It looks weak. GPP bullish, 5 minute breakout structure, retest, and 1 minute breakout structure. Okay. It's very bad. Wicks both up and down. So let's see the small time frame. I might not trade also GBP also. Half quantity, maybe one third would be is fine. One third quantity in GBP. If we have better pairs, then we won't trade. In 4 hour, this was a very strong breakdown. Since then, this has been in this zone, so not looking good. A smaller time frame, yeah, it gave a breakout, and the current candle is has no wick, so I'm not sure it can continue for the downside. It also gave a breakdown. It can be a retest and continue for the downside. Hourly same as not looking good. We won't trade euro. No, we won't trade euro. We might also not trade GBP. If I do, then I will go one third quantity, the lowest as we can because it's a low probability trade in JPY. Okay, the fall was good so far. It yesterday closed around the middle, wicks both the side. Today it's the problem. It might make a inverted hammer. Okay, so this swing is important. One thing I can see nice is that in 4 hour it has yesterday it was in the range, so we can expect a momentum today. And now I would prefer to trade. I'm not sure. It's looking like overall trend is bearish, but you can see it created a zone, gave a breakout, but the this red candle is very strong. So maybe not. Let's see 1 hour that will give a better picture. Okay, so 1 hour it is not strongly bearish, but it is bearish continuous red candle, and we have FEG over here. So this was the fall. Then from since last 2 days almost after this fall, you can see it has been in this zone, top and bottom. So it is in the range. So not looking good. We won't trade this one either. We need at least breakdown for us to trade. If we only see today's trend overall, this was a strong breakout, pullback continuation, but the seller, this is a strong breakdown. If I had to, then I would have looked for sells, but it's in the zone, so I won't trade GPY either. Then gold, I hope we have something to trade. Okay, finally, gold is bullish. 4 hour also bullish breakout. Didn't touch the order block yet, but Current candle has no wick. That's a very positive sign that it can continue for the higher side. 1 hour, we have the okay, so we can expect a momentum till this level. Okay, so smaller time frame. We need to look for entries in the smaller time frame. This okay, we have FEG which we can trade. In 5 minute. Nice. See the higher time frame and lower time frame are aligned. That's a great thing. Gave a breakout, pullback, continuation. So this is the minimum target. It might have already been achieved, but yeah, so it has been achieved after the breakout. So we can expect a higher time frame target. If it gives a 5 minute breakout structure before the session opens, then I can trade the order block. So our plan, if it comes in the FEG, so we are bullish in gold. 50-minute FEG, then we will go full quantity. If here it gives a 5 minute breakout structure, then we will trade that 5 minute order block and we will go half quantity. Yeah, so it looks like it might give a breakout. Then we will trade half quantity because there is we need a better retracement to trade. This would have been nice because you can see 1 2 3 4 continuous green candle. Let's see. So we I will only trade gold and NQ. Let's see what we got in NQ daily. So yesterday was quite a fall. My account would have passed. Like maybe some news. I don't know. How much fall was it? 1.8%. Market is volatile. There are opportunities. We just need to grab it. For the daily trend so far, it looks bearish. Okay, nice. Not bad. Doji candle almost like a hanging. Then continues. This can take out this London lows. Current candle 1 hour. Not bad. So it has been ranged since in the morning. So we can expect a good trend. I would like to trade with the trend for the downside. The key levels are this one is a key level. No order block. Okay, so it has technically it's in the order block. If it gives a breakout over here, then it's no use. If I don't keep a bias, then I can trade both highs and lows. If it gives a breakout, then we can buy. If it gives a breakdown, then we can sell. In the 15 minute, it looks like bullish. This it is in the FEG, and this two was very strong candle. I would like to trade with the trend, and this level is important. I need a breakdown in 5 minute. Yeah, nice, very good. This was a very strong breakdown. I would prefer to enter right around here already before the session's open, but we'll wait. I need a 5 minute breakout structure for the downside and Q. So we will only trade two pairs. That's easy for us. 5 minute breakout structure and 1 minute breakout structure. That's the plan. Technically, if I don't keep a bias, I can also trade for the upside, but let's keep it simple and follow our plans rather than overthinking. Yesterday also when it started moving down, I was very tempted to take the trade for the downside, but fine, it's okay. Let's see. So I'm in gold. Maybe a little early entry. Okay, that was bad. Yeah, good. Now I can keep my SL below the swing. A little over a half quantity, but fine. Over one quantity, I should have waited for a breakout structure. I might re-enter if it gives a 1 minute breakout structure in gold. NQ, there is still time. Let's see. Let's see if I have login into my meta so you can also see. I might also. Okay, NQ is also starting to. I need a 1 minute breakout structure and I can also enter in NQ. Okay, not yet. 2.7. NQ is moving up. We'll wait. Okay, I have logged in, so we can. So I have one. Okay, so NQ is going up, so we won't trade NQ. So we have one open position, which is gold. And so this is our final trade. Gold is our only trade, and it's going in our favor. That's a good thing. And our SL is also great. As you can see, the balance is 940. If this one hits TP, then we will back. No, then we will be up $30, which is good. So finally, we have the breakout structure in gold. So this is a good trade. So we have only one trade. Let's see. Gold, can we target more? That's the question. That's the important question. We don't need to look at NQ. This is the only trade. That's okay. So gold is moving, already giving 1:1, and let's see if we can target more. In hourly, yeah, we are planning to target this swing, which is 533. Let's see what we will get if we target 533. Almost 1:, yeah, we can target 1:4 in 1 minute. Let me also mark the levels where I entered. Yeah, we can target 1:4. Yeah, the momentum is there, so let's see how far we can go. Okay, we can also, this is where the fall started, so but that would be too much. 1:4 is good enough for us. Let it first go 1:3, then we will see. If there is momentum, then I will try to ride it. I will take 1:3, 1:4, and I will leave 20% of the quantity. Like I already discussed in my previous video, that I also have to practice how to hold good trades. And if this one, I've also seen 1:5 is more than enough. Actually, if it moves in my favor, then I will exit most of my quantity and leave 10-20% for 1:5. Let's see. What about NQ? Did it fall? Okay, so we can also trade NQ. Almost there. It has already retested a 1 minute order block. I will enter. 0.57. So I also took an entry in NQ. And my entry is nice, looking good. Well, that was an early entry, but fine. My entry. Not a perfect SL, but okay, 60 pp is a little more. Let's see. Yeah, okay, it is in the order block. So if it gives a breakdown, then I'll add quantity. My SL 20 and 20, 20, 40, 0.5, 0.2. If it gives the 1 minute breakout structure, then I will also add quantity. Okay, I'm in. Today might be a good day. So as per our plan, I took early entry with less quantity, but right now my entry is somewhere around here. The chart is different in my SL over here. 4667. Okay, I got stopped out in gold. What happened? Fine, this was a good SL. We traded our plan, so that's fine. Let's see. NQ. What can we target in NQ? If it continues yesterday's trend, then I might hold because NQ moves very nice. I might. Okay. Let's see. At least let's start for the move. We can target more than it might give. Okay, so yesterday, how much did it move? It moved 1.5%. We can, these lows might be retested, but let's see. Yesterday I saw, even if I would have gone with, okay, so the momentum is there, so I will hold. I might exit 80% of the quantity at 1:4, somewhere around 1:4. Let's see how much is 200 pips. I have seen it moves around 200 points. So from the opening price, 140. Okay, we can target 460. Okay, okay, there is momentum. The position sizing wasn't exactly perfect, but fine. We entered a smaller quantity. 1 is to 4. Yeah, we can target 1 is to 4. Actually, we can, okay, we can use the fib over here. From here till here. That would be a nice target. Yeah, 1 is to 7. 1 is to 7. The momentum is there. The problem is yesterday it moved, so it might be a trap, but I'm ready to take the bet. At least we want 1 is to 3, then we will see. I almost reached $25, so 1 is to 3 will be 75. The momentum is there. I will hold the trade. This might be the good. We had the breakdown. Momentum is there. I'll wait. Yesterday I saw that even if I would have traded in 5 minutes, then we could have cashed a great momentum. Worth okay, so 70. Technically, it is almost 1 is to 3 because I reached almost $25. So we have 1 is to 3. Let's see how much we can make. I might enter exit 1 at 1 is to. Okay, if this second one goes to 1 is to. Like if I make $90, then I exit one of it and I hold the second one. The only thing I'm worried about if is this one a trap because yesterday it did move, so maybe today it might trap. Let's see. A retracement and a breakdown, then I can at least trail. Okay, this is important. If it doesn't closes below this level, then maybe we are not gonna make it. Not looking good. There's 1 minute. If it closes above, then I might get stopped out. I need the closing, man. I need the closing below the level. We should have stick to 1 to 3. No, this will get we will get stopped out. Oh man. We will get stopped up. Okay. One one SL. Second quantity still in place. Should have sticked with 1 to 3. SL. But man. We did make one target, but yeah, that's why I don't like to target big until I make profit. Nothing can be done. I would prefer to take a reverse trade, but fine, it is what it is. We are down 2%, and it's not a bad thing to target more when the trend is in your favor, but you need to be ready to pay the price. And now, from tomorrow, if I don't target big and then I will get the big trades, I would like to take a trade in the opposite direction. It's going fast. I'll take one small quantity. Zero point 0.3. It just gave a breakout, so This is not the right thing to do, but fine. I will accept the consequences because yesterday also I see the reversal, and if I would have traded the reversal, then I could have made a good money. Let's see in 5 minutes. Okay, so it is giving a breakout. So we can expect a target for the upside. See, I should have made 1:3, but yeah, that's why I like to stick with the plan rather than targeting big. This is the target for the time being. We will take this one. Yeah, we have the swing, so this is the target for this one. And RSL 20. I'm risking 2/3. That's fine. How much did I lose so far? Okay. How much did okay, this is not today. $50 fine. 50, 60, 70. Let's see. Okay, so now quantity is half now. I will risk $15. I've seen if I can only trade Euro NQ and make good money by trading reversals. Also, sometimes when I get stopped out, then there is because this was a good trap. We people got swept. Then we can expect a good momentum for the upside. Leave it, man. Once we are down 2%, that's fine. We're done. I'm done with it. Otherwise, in the longer run, this will very, very, very will be very bad. I'm done. So see you on Monday. Bye.